In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with HubSpot. This process will help you streamline your workflow by automating tasks and allowing Zapier to interact seamlessly with your HubSpot data. We'll walk through the steps together, making sure everything is set up correctly. So let's dive in and start connecting these powerful tools. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. You'll find yourself at the central hub of your Zapier integrations, where you can manage your various app connections. This is your starting point for setting up new integrations and managing existing ones. Once you're here, look for and click on the App Connections section. This area is specifically designed to handle your linked applications, allowing you to see which apps are currently connected and providing options to add new ones. Next, we want to add a connection, so click on Add Connection. This action will bring up a search field where you can specify which application you want to link with Zapier. Now type in HubSpot into the search field. HubSpot is a popular tool for CRM, marketing, and sales, and connecting it with Zapier can greatly enhance your productivity through task automation. Once you've typed in HubSpot, click on it when it appears in the list. You'll then see an option to add this connection to your Zapier account. Click on Add Connection again, which will start the integration process with HubSpot. This may prompt a new window or tab where HubSpot asks for permission to connect with Zapier. This is an important step as it allows Zapier to access the necessary information within your HubSpot account to automate tasks. In this new portal, you'll be prompted to select the HubSpot account you want to connect. Click on the account you wish to use, making sure it's the one where your data and processes you want Zapier to manage are located. With your account selected, the next screen will prompt you to confirm the connection by clicking on Choose Account. Sometimes there can be terms of use or privacy agreements involved when connecting third-party applications. Scroll through and locate the checkbox indicating you agree to the usage of third-party integrations. It's important to check this box to ensure the connection goes smoothly without any hitches down the line. Finally, with everything set up and your agreements in place, click on Connect App. This finalizes the integration between Zapier and HubSpot, enabling the two platforms to work together harmoniously. Now you're all set to start building Zaps, which are automated workflows that connect your apps and services together. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Zapier with HubSpot, allowing for automated workflows that can save you time and increase efficiency. Enjoy automating tasks and making your processes more seamless with this integration.